Tessint est la maison de Charles de Foucauld, né en 1858. Charles de Foucauld sera d'abord militaire et mènera une vie dissolue avant de démissionner de l'armée afin d'explorer le Maroc, en se faisant passer pour un juif. La qualité de ses travaux lui vaut la médaille d'or de la Société de géographie et une grande renommée à la suite de la publication de son livre Reconnaissance au Maroc, 1888. Voir rubrique Ma bibliothèque marocaine. C'est lors de cette exploration du Maroc qu'il séjournera quelques semaines à Tessint, fin de 1883 et début de 1884, dans une maison que l'on peut visiter et qui est à environ 400 mètres en aval de la source. Très joli paysage en descendant le long de cette retenue d'eau au-dessus d'un barrage. Cette visite nous entraîne dans les ruelles enterrées de la ville, ruelles qui circulent sous les maisons à l'abri du soleil. Et cette maison traditionnelle, même si elle est en mauvais état, nous permet de se rendre compte de l'architecture traditionnelle du sud du Maroc. Sur les photographies, on peut visualiser ce patio central avec un étage et une terrasse de belles arches de différentes formes, des plafonds tatoués, nervures de palmes et de dattiers peintes, et des poutres en bois de palmier. La maison est également décorée de quelques niches et les murs laissent apparaître des dessins et des peintures malheureusement largement défrichées.
Tessint and the house of Charles de Foucauld. Born in 1858, Charles de Foucauld was initially in the military and led a desolate life before resigning, pretending from the army to explore Morocco. In order to be a Jewish man, the quality of his work earned him the gold medal of the Geographical Society and great fame following the publication of his book in French language, Reconnaissance au Maroc, 1888, see section My Moroccan Library. It was during this exploration of Morocco that he stayed a few weeks in Tessint at the end of 1883 and at the beginning of 1884 in a house that can be visited and which is about 100 meters downstream from the source. A very nice landscaping go down along this water, which means a dam stores water. This visit takes us into the barred alleys of the city, alleys that circulate under the houses, shattered from the sun, and this traditional house, even if it is in poor condition, allows us to realize the traditional architecture of southern Morocco. On the photographs you can visualize this central patio with a floor, beautiful arches of different shapes, tataway ceiling, irregular painted data palms and palms wood beams. The house is also decorated with few niches and walls reveal, unfortunately, largely faded drawing and painting. Extrapolation of this scene's image in Charles de Foucauld acquaintance with Morocco has shown a model to represent the Moroccan Oasis community in the eyes of the foreigner who was paving the way for the occupation the Moroccan field as a whole. However, framing this view and this representation in the colonial tone was not an obstacle. In front of its scientific usefulness and the accuracy of its geographical, social, cultural, economic and political data, rather the study and the analysis of these events, getting to know Morocco has solidified the serious conviction that what it provides colonial historical writing from a rich historical material about pre-colonial Morocco remain an essential source that cannot be bypassed in writing the history of Morocco in general and the history of countryside as well. All of these events represent few information about distant voices in the French mind via discovering good image produced by Charles de Foucault during his trip and who was invited by Haj Burhim in his house.